Hi guys, welcome to my Corsa boot build video. Since my last video, when I've done the sand deadening, you can see I've made a bit of progress here. What we've got here is two sealed enclosures for two Alpine Type R10s. They're 0.92 cubic feet, but with the displacement of the subwoofers they'll be 0.84 cubic feet. But I will be adding sand absorbing foam into those enclosures, so that will reduce them a little bit more. In the middle there you can see I've got an amp rack for two Alpine PDX amplifiers, and that's mounted on a kind of suspension system, so hopefully that'll reduce a bit of the vibration coming from the enclosures into the amp rack. At the sides here you can see I've got a little trim panel either side. There's the other one here, that'll fit in there like that, and they need to be removable, so you can access these side panels there to get into your backlights and whatnot. Got a little bit of perspex window there that'll have a graphic on it, and the whole thing's going to be painted in Raptor bed liner. So hopefully it'll look alright when it's all finished. Let's just show you inside, see what it looks like from the back. Okay, this is the back of the enclosures. There'll be a little trim panel cut in either side of it to close it in there. That's the back of that top panel there, and that'll be secured with screws on there. This is the amp rack, back of the amp rack here, and if it'll stay in focus, they're the brackets I was saying about. They're little L-shaped brackets with little rubber grommet either side screwed in, and there'll be 8 of those in total holding that up. So hopefully that'll be strong enough to keep it up there. Here you can see the front doors. Since the last video I've sand deadened those, and the outer skin and the inner skin of the door are covered. But unfortunately with these Corsas, the front window rubbers tend to like let a little bit of water in, so I've used wax oil, filled the bottom of the doors up with that, and done the best I can with the rubbers to try and prevent the water getting in. Up in this corner it appears to drip into the door. Put a bit of sand deadening on the back of the door panel as well. Those bits have masking tape there with what I was just using to measure out where the speakers are going to go, because these holes ain't exactly in line with the holes in the door panel. So I might make some little door builds up, just to move the speakers across a little bit. Okay, this is the equipment that will be going in there. The head unit is the Alpine 193 BT, and that will be running the front speakers actively. That's why I chose that head unit. The subs, there's a two Type R10s, 10D2s they are, and the Alpine PDX M12. That'll be running them, so they'll get 600 watts each. And then you got the PDX F4, which is 100 watts RMS times 4, and that'll be running one set of SBR 60Cs. They're the 6.5 inch components in the front. And over here, I know everyone likes to see the certificates for them. That's the M12. That's doing 1248 watts at 14.4 volts in 2 or 4 ohms, and the PDX F4 is doing 118 watts RMS times 4 at 2 or 4 ohms. So there you go, that's where we're at the moment, and in my next video hopefully I'll show you it all painted up and all installed. Take care.